experiences or prejudices against the profession or judges. So he said honestly, sir, you please guide us, or you please tell what is the problems and all that. I requested him. The first problem is filling up the vacancies and expedite the vacancies. This is the first priority. Then immediately he started working. He started sending all the files, thanks to him, and he cleared in a jet speed. The 9 names, I think 6 days time, a record break first time, without any murmur, anything. I must thank the Honorable Prime Minister and the Law Minister and the Government of India for clearing the names. I expect the same speed, the other High Court names also, if they clear. Another 1 month's time, we expect at least 90% of the vacancies filled in this country. However, it is not enough. We must keep trying at our own levels to ease the difficulties. As a well-wisher, I urge the members of the bar to never forget your commitment to the cause of justice and to never deny help to those in need. John W. Davis, who is the Solicitor General of the United States, once said it, I quote, "True, we lawyers build no bridges, we raise no towers, we construct no engines, but we smooth our difficulties. We relieve stress, we correct mistakes, we take up other man's burdens, and by our efforts we make possible the peaceful life of man in a peaceful state." Unquote. Honorable Mr. Vivek Tanka reminded me about me saying about Honorable Justice J.S. Verma. I'm very moved because I had lot of affiliation, or what you say, he used to treat me like his son, even though I am not a judge, I am nothing at that time, after all a junior lawyer. But when I used to go to him, he always used to say, you have to be frank, don't afraid of anything, and whatever you feel right, you do it as a lawyer or judge and all that. By that time, I have never even expected that I will accept this judgeship. And he also said lightly, after my elevation, Justice Ramana, I want to tell you one thing. If you make one judge, you get 10 enemies, be careful. At the same time, under your chairman, Ms. Mishra, made suggestions about this COP, that is the lawyers, that is quack lawyers practicing mafia rural areas. I will see that some solution for that problem. It is true, like quack doctors, quack lawyers also nowadays appearing, I agree. And the second thing is that he wants creating a grievance redressal mechanism is a welcoming suggestion. I will consider it and I will write letters to the concerned Chief Justices so they can constitute some mechanism to think. It is good because we must have interaction, otherwise it is difficult to understand your problems, it is difficult for you also to understand our problems. A interaction with the members of the bar frequently helps a lot, and exchange notes. We should not live in ivory towers, that is what I believe. And so for the, he made a request about the providing some place in the Supreme Court building. I already told my Registrar Mr. Goyal to find out a place for the Bar Council of India, and one more thing I already told that you all praised about the credit, entire credit to me that I have done these appointments and all that. This is not my credit. I am not, even though Tendulkar, entire team has to work together, then only they will win the match. With these words, I expect the legal community to guide the nation to an ever brighter future. Thank you for organizing this event. It is a humble experience. I am grateful indeed. I am very much impressed with the leadership qualities of Mr. Manan Kumar Mishra, Chairman, Bar Council of India. He and his colleagues in the Bar Council of India have always stood for the institution. Whenever there is a challenge before the institution, the council stood by it. I am touched by the fact that the office bearers and the members of various bar councils and associations from across the country have travelled from far to be here today. I am fully conscious of the fact that this event is not to honor me as a person, it is your way of honoring an institution. We shall collectively strive to protect the dignity, integrity, reputation of the institution. Your kind words and garlands weigh heavily on me. Literally, I must say, you turned this Saturday into a memorable day of my life. Thank you very much.